Janet went to the store to buy a parrot trained in the USA and asks the salesperson, "What's so special about this parrot?" Salesperson said, "This parrot is a genius and can answer any question." Janet asked the parrot, "How do I look?" The parrot replied, "You look like a fucking slut." Janet get pissed off and told the salesperson that it's a very rude parrot and she cannot buy it. The salesperson told Janet to wait for 2 minutes. The salesperson then took the parrot to the back of the store and shoved it into a bucket of water, and when he pulls the parrot out he said, "If you disrespect the lady out there again, I'll soak you back in the water and take you back to the store." The salesperson apologized to Janet and said she can ask the parrot another question. Janet then asked the parrot again, "If I come home with one man, what would you think?" The parrot answered, "He's your husband." "What if I come home with 2 men?" The parrot answered again, "Your husband and his brother." "3 men?" Parrot, "Your husband, his brother and your brother." "4 men?" At this time the parrot turns to the salesperson and says, "Bring back the bleeping bucket of water, I already told you she is a slut."